Oh, come on. Stand up. Oh, come on. Stand up.
We're gonna need a mouse tool to open the lock.
Okay. You got it? You got it on your own? No, get up. Don't watch TV. You stand up? Oh. Kitty getting in the way. Okay, you walk to us? Oh no. You're gonna use furniture. You cheat! Come here! Come here! You want the camera? You want the camera, Ashlyn? No. Yeah, that's cheating. Crawling is cheating. Oh, is that what you think about that? You're spitting all over the camera.